Quick tip. That's a 2004 Ford Explorer. We've did rear wheel bearing on it. That's one of the concerns. Another concern was the power windows did not work. And I'll give you a quick tip on that one. Like I said, that's all it is, a quick tip. Power windows did not work. This is an automatic one up front. Automatic down, that is, not an automatic up. So anyway, looked at the fuses. I popped the panel off right quick to see if there's any power. Power is there. Give you a little bit of a. Okay, this is the main switch right here. That's the master window switch. Power. Come on, let go. Power is coming in from, anyway, I'm not going to go through that. Power is coming in over here. We see all the power feeds that feed all the switches. So power is checked, power is good. Okay, we got the 12 volts right here, and it's good enough to light a light bulb. So next stop, black wire in here is a ground. Ground goes to the frame. So I didn't have no ground. So the switch itself, this master switch, doesn't have ground. Okay, so therein lies the problem. We ain't got no ground in it. So I popped the rail right here off underneath, just probed the ground wire right there underneath that piece of plastic trim. There is a plastic conduit runs through there. Did a quick ground check. Ground is there. So, of course, this is more of an experience-based fix than anything. And I could have gone there right away, but it's a principle. You don't want to assume the worst. Right there, that bend, that flex right here. The ground wire is actually broken in here. I'm not going to pull that back out, but anyway, come to find out, because the ground is running up through here, comes in, goes over, because it's saying that it is in the left rear of the vehicle. So I don't exactly know where it hooks up anyway, because I checked it right here and there was ground there. So on the switch we did not have it. So logical place to look is in the bend, and sure enough it was in the bend. Figured I'd share that real quick. That's a quick tip. Solder it back together. Good enough, you know. Make sure that the wires are not got no jagged frays in it when you solder it back together. Put a little bit of tape over it, call that a day. So quick tip. What is today? Tuesday. Quick tip Tuesday. There you go. We'll catch you on the next one.